FMS Racing just released a two-wheel drive brushed monster truck at a great price. I think that if this truck is as durable as this promo videos, this is going to be a winner, especially in the entry-level market and even some of the more advanced people that drive cars. So let's take a close look at this and see what they're offering to see if it's worth the money. Alright guys, welcome back. So this is going to be pretty interesting. So FMS has this truck they just released probably about a week ago or so. It's going to be a two-wheel drive 10 scale monster truck, and it is brushed, and you can run 2S on it and 3S. Now if you run 3S, they do have some on it that you avoid the warranty if you do it, but this looks to be pretty good. I mean, Wheelie bar, aluminum wheels. From what I saw, RC Driver did a quick review on this. He talked about it and stuff. There are no foam in the tires, but that still should be fine for the price that you're paying. You guys see that there's basically going to be two paint schemes for it. It's going to be like this reddish color, and then they have this black one. So this red has First Blood on there, and this one has High Roller on there. So they're all on the same platform for it. Of course, you get a motor, ESC, speed control. You even get a 2S LiPo with it. I saw that somewhere. Maybe the ready to run one comes with it and the RS doesn't. So I believe that the ready to run was going to be 179. I didn't see the other one, the RS version. We'll see if that's on it. But at 179 or 169, 170, probably about 180 close out the door. That's not bad for a two-wheel drive brushed vehicle, and it's got a mid-motor mount. Or the motor is mounted in the middle of the chassis, unlike most two-wheel drive trucks where they're mounted in the back of it. And there you guys see that there. It does have a little gap between there, but this looks good, especially for the price. And if it performs and handles well and doesn't break on your first jump, which I don't think it will, I think they may have a winner here. Brushless power, I think you can go mild brushless on here and be fine. But there you guys go, 169 for, and they're talking about the colors, High Roller, First Blood, and then just the black color for it. I didn't see anything else as far as the other version is concerned. So maybe it's going to be a little bit cheaper, or maybe they not be. But I did see that this comes with a 2S LiPo, and of course it's got that F100 body on it. Trying to see about the chassis layout. Got some pretty good action pictures, action videos and stuff showcasing this, and looks like it's going to be a winner, especially at this price. Now if you guys want to see me unbox this on my channel, do a full review on it, etc., you know, put something down in the comments and I'll go ahead and pull the trigger and get one, because you guys know I love trucks, especially monster trucks. So this ought to be pretty cool to bring to the channel. It comes with a 2.4 gigahertz radio that you guys see there. Got some pretty good skate park action, so you guys know I'll put that to the test. It just won't be a promo video. We'll take it out there. I won't try to break the truck, but I will run it. There's going to be the chassis layout. It comes with a, there you go, 2S LiPo. Looks like it's got XT60 connectors on it. 2.4 gigahertz radio. Wheelie bar, you guys can see that there. And if it's as durable as they're showing it in these little snippets and stuff, this ought to be a pretty good vehicle. Here's looking at some of the suspension on it, the bottom of the chassis. That's all they got there. High center gravity chassis and stuff. For it. And then here's going to be some of the specifications, some of the sizes and stuff. Some of you guys want to know about that. 550 brush motor. So it does come with a 2S 3300 milliamp LiPo. Like I said, XT60 connectors on it. Probably can't zoom in too much there, but there you guys can see some of the specifications of it, the wheelbase, the center of gravity, how high up that is, and then the overall length of the truck too. And discover more fun. Of course, they got a YouTube video out there for it. And then they got their photo gallery, which is good. I think this is going to be a pretty good winner for them. I mean, especially at the price point that it comes with a LiPo and a charger with it. And you can run 3S, but like I said, if you run 3S, they do say you do void the warranty if you do run a 3S LiPo on it. There's going to be a RC Driver did a review, and that's kind of what got me looking at this too. And of course, they have parts for it. And there's going to be a manual. So I'll put a link down below in the description if you guys want to go ahead and pull the trigger. Or if you want to wait for me to go ahead and do this, you can do that as well. So put down in the comments what you guys think about this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, stay tuned for the next video. As always, I appreciate you guys watching.